2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.